everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to the Knowledge Tree Academy. This is Komal Said and today we are going to learn a very important topic from kinematics and equation of motion. Today's topic is sweat equation or equation of motion. This topic is very important for school and board exams, Cambridge examinations, national and international curriculum, entry test preparation, physics and mathematics numericals. If you are preparing for Cambridge exams or any national or international board, this lecture will help you understand how to solve motion equations step by step in an easy way. Many students find numerical questions difficult, but in today's lecture, I will explain everything in a simple and clear method. So make sure you watch this lecture carefully till the end. Now, without wasting any time, let's start today's lecture. The learning objective of this lecture are understand sweat equations, identify the variables, solve numerical problems, rearrange the formula to find A or acceleration. The key definitions are S, which is displacement, U represents the initial velocity, A represents V represents the final velocity, A represents the acceleration, and T represents the time. Keep in mind that this equation is used when acceleration is constant. You can see the main formula on the screen as well. Now let's solve an example to understand this formula more clearly. The example is a car starts with an initial velocity of 15 meters per second and accelerates uniformly at 3 meters per second square for 6 seconds. Find the displacement of the car. The first step is that we have to write the given values. So we are given with the initial velocity u, which is 15 meters per second. Acceleration is given 3 meters per second square. And time t is given 6 seconds. Now we have to write the formula. The formula is S is equals to U into T plus half with AT square. S is equals to, now we have to substitute the values. S is equals to 15 into 6 plus half into 3 with 6 square. S is equals to 15 multiplied by 9 is 6 is 90. 15 multiplied by 6 is 90. 1 by 2 into 3, 6 square is 36. Now S is equals to 90 plus half into 3 is 1.5. 36. S is equals to 90 plus 54. 90 plus 54 is 144 meters. Therefore, S is 144 meters. S means the displacement of the car is 144 meters. I hope you have understood this example clearly. Now, we will learn how to make A the subject of the formula, means the acceleration the subject of the formula. We start with S is equals to U into T plus half with AT square. Subtract UT from both sides. So S minus UT is equals to half with AT square. The next step is we have to multiply 2 on both sides. 2s into s minus ut is equals to at square. Now divide both sides by t square. T square is equals to a. So this is the required formula for acceleration. if you have to find acceleration, you can use this formula. Having some concept points. If A is positive, speed increases. If A is negative, speed decreases. A is the acceleration. So if the acceleration of the body is positive, it means that the speed A increases. And if the acceleration of the body is negative, it means speed decreases. Before we end this lecture, let me give you some important exam tips. Tip number 1 is always write the formula first. Tip number 2 is write the given values carefully. Third tip is substitute the values correctly, solve step by step, and do not skip steps. Always write units with the final answer. Practice more regularly. This is all about the exam tips. And if you are preparing for Cambridge or any national and international exams, stepwise solving and neat presentation and very important for getting good marks. So this is where we complete today's lecture. I hope you have understood this topic, this formula, and this example clearly. If you found this lecture helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I have recently started my online academy, the Knowledge Tree Academy, where I provide online classes and academic guidance for students. If you want to improve your concepts and learning, you are most welcome to join my academy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lecture. Bye-bye.